How you doing today, guys? Putting this little video together for all my members in the stock options and forex traders meetup group, just to just give you a couple ideas of what I was looking at and what I'm thinking about the market at this particular time. What I have up is a daily chart of the E-mini S&P 500 index futures, and actually this particular chart pattern, what I see right now is similar to what I was expecting to happen. We had a breakdown here, okay, of a significant little level here. The market went down, it rallied back above this price point, it went up. We were just under a level of supply here. I think I mentioned it at the last meetup group that we were just under a level of supply, and the next day, that thing started coming down. It tanked, but it seems to be trying to create a base. Bears obviously drove it down to this level at 1035. Okay, here, as you can see, the market kind of went up and just under this supply level, because remember, once demand gets broken, that becomes the new supply level. I mean, it's pretty clear, it's pretty obvious, because that's the only way that the market could continue down. So at this level, as you can see, kind of went down, it went back up, rallied to this level again, ran into, came here, ran into some more bears, market sold off again, and this time it actually sold off again and broke down to a new level. So we run into a very interesting situation here, because now, let me just put a line in here. Wait a minute. Let me zoom in just a little bit. Now, as you can see, we broke down. The market yesterday went back to test that level, and it didn't go through for whatever reason. Maybe there's too much supply there, or maybe just the bulls got exhausted. But it's going to be really interesting to see what happens tomorrow. Today was one of the highest volume days in the past several months. I wouldn't say the highest, but if I zoom out, you can see here that today was very high. Damn, ever since like last August to July. So I mean, as you can see, with all these volume bars here, we had some high volume days here. We had May 6th and a few other days, and now this is one of the highest volume days there's been. So there's significant value in this particular type of volume day. As I said, we're going into supply. I checked my volume market profile chart, and there's a high concentration of volume at this level here. And I'm tempted to think, simply because we're in a downtrend, that it's most likely selling volume here. So with that being said, I'm expecting the market most likely maybe to rally a few points. I don't know if it'll happen overnight during the Globex session or sometime tomorrow morning, but my overall, my first opinion would have to be that it'll probably maybe get around this 1066 1065 level, and then probably sell off pretty hard again. I don't really know or can't really anticipate where it would fall to. Looks like the next obvious zone of actually there isn't any real clear obvious zones of demand, so it's going to be real interesting what happens. Now, on the flip side of that coin, because the volume is so great, if it does rally, I expect it to rally most likely past this point, just because of the high concentration of volume. But once again, like I said, there's really not really any way of telling which direction the volume is concentrated or which way it's going to go. So that's just kind of something we have to wait and see. Now, for you guys that trade stocks, and especially that trade stocks that are influenced by the S&P, the only thing I can say is be wary of going long tomorrow, because it's very dangerous. This is an obvious level of supply here, very obvious. I mean, the bears completely overthrew the bulls here. Okay, high volume here, pretty decent volume here. We have high volume here, but it didn't rally as high as I would expect, and most of the volume was towards the highs. So, professionals typically don't buy at the highs. So, it's just more indication that, chances are we're looking, we're probably, in my opinion, probably headed down. Doesn't mean that that's what's going to happen. I don't have the crystal ball and nobody else does, but, in my opinion, I think we're probably headed down. So anyway, that's it. Just kind of wanted to share that analysis with you. Hope I wasn't too long-winded, but hopefully this can help your trading and maybe give you some ideas of how you're going to position yourself. Thanks for watching.